Well, look, you only me get that effect when I hear this song for the very first time. I like, who be this guy? Who be this? Who be this? If like say the person just come from nowhere, in a situation whereby we don't get plenty batting for the industry. Somebody just come with a very slick voice, smooth delivery. I can't say this boy could be really bad boy. Maybe in a ladies man he could be if I see him. You understand? But before we even finish, then do the remix of the jam, and then you come with history, and then I take cement the gram, put in name, say yeah. This one don't come to stay. You understand? Very lovely jam. Now be that Zoom by Check. And of course, Check himself. They inside the studio here live with us from top Naija FM 102.7, the original Naija station. In case you just tune in, this now workshop. The hottest midday show for radio with me, the first voice. Godwin Arewa, plus my partner, Lady Jassa, but the one of Naija FM. With the welcoming her back to the show. We don't escort property doctor come on for studio. Time don't need to go to Naija original. And I Check, be our special guest inside the studio. Check how now?
I do.
They don't say
come on, your mask finish. Check the. I like what you do. You wear mask since now. When you enter studio now, I mean, they tell to move the mask. I beg. I take go back. You see the news this morning, Lady J. You see how many people they say don't die for Lagos for this? People they play with this coronavirus matter.
I beg go.
Delta variant. The people don't die plenty. So I happy say when Check come now, he carrying. He wear a mask. So say I beg. This thing never go. Like I always talk. If it not affect you. What about the person within your house? What about your mama, your papa we old? Lagos records 135 deaths, 13 die in Osun in 1 week.
Wow.
Over 400 oxygen cylinders used daily. So Olu says 400.
Wow.
If you don't chop dustbin, you don't they used to bad things. So your immunity strong like person they drink agbo every day. Fine. But if you carry and go give your mama will be 60 something or 70 something.
Where her immunity no dey strong.
And then say the older we get, the more our immunity they reduce. So what about your neighbor, old man where they greet? If you be the person who go kill her. You understand? So just take care for a beg. Wear your mask, observe social distancing, wash your hand regularly. I take go beg all of her now. Because our guy I tell you that Coco Papa died over the weekend. Now still coronavirus. Very young man, just 64. You understand? So I take God beg all of them. And he tell me say what you see for hospital, the amount of people where they there, where don't die, and where at the place full, say government they under report them.
They don't want to talk the truth because they know say if they talk true. People go.
Even if they talk true, we need a year. We too stubborn for this country.
They don't want to talk, and then because they know say maybe the allocate where they go get if it reduce.
Lady J.
At the end of the day,
I bet you say even if they put picture of people they die for TV every day. Some people go see enter bus without mask.
Now what?
Some people go see enter go their office. I beg. Yesterday, just one person for this office they say that God they heal. They say bus.
That one off me. I don't go lie.
I just want you to check.
Talk say God they heal.
I just want you to check.
I know say God they heal. You know? I believe say God they heal.
Like this kind of person now, Lady J check. You know they enter bus. You know they enter all this taxi. That better ride they drive. You get better labor. So. This one that you go hardly they mix with people where they catch the thing. Yes, see they wear mask. Nice one, Check.
Yes, now guys. We have to protect ourselves.
We can protect ourselves. Okay, welcome to Naija FM.
Welcome to Naija FM.
Thank you so much.
I personally they meet you for the
first time.
Me too. But it's nice to have you.
Yes.
I like your hair.
My hair?
You play Tana.
Yes.
You try get read dada. You go like get read dada.
I will say I will get this color for my hair.
No, if you get rid of that, if you can't dye to that color.
I'm not gonna be like this. Not 3 colors I use.
You know what happen? If you first if you dye to blonde, if you don't the old, you go come be like this. Because the black come back. At that point, but that's that particular part no they too take. Because if you too take, you go come down to black finish, you understand?
I go try. I don't know.
But you look different from your voice.
Really?
Yeah.
Yes, I know.
You look like rapper.
They
you look like all those hardcore rapper where no really send about giving a fantastic voice, not just bars and all those things. You know, if somebody see they go say this guy, and then, but maybe that because we don't grow up with when we don't they used to people get solid voice now.
Yeah.
Cool calm guys like them Banky, Praise. You see all those kind of people. Compare them to the rappers.
Oh.
Yeah, so but you can't get that kind of voice where even sweet pass some of those voices. Yes, you can't look like rapper. You know.
But I'm not gonna say he look like rapper. The first time where I did look at him now. Truthfully speaking, when I look at him, the thing will come my mind and I say, now this quiet guy, now they give everybody problem with him song. That's not the first thing will come my mind.
You be quiet person.
No.
So this time they do like say
Nah, the beginning.
It is okay. If you like foul, we just reach somewhere. First time you want leg to look at it, you put your 2 legs down and Naija FM. You know what? You don't fear. Tell us about yourself. What to be your full names?
My full name's Akinbiba Deliberate.
Akinbiba, just say you be Yoruba boy.
Yoruba boy.
Yes.
This is a Igbo boy, you.
I be Igbo too.
How?
You be Yoribo.
Because you know where the people where you come from now, people will accept you. Even if I be white man and I stay in Nigeria, I don't turn it. If they accept me.
You see why I always tell you I be Lagosian. They born me for Lagos. My parents come from Delta, I be Delta. I school for Kaduna, I be Kaduna. All of them join.
Join for the matter.
Okay, so why your name be Check? I think you the professor ahead of the kind of money they could write for Check.
You want sign check for me?
That one they said. That one said they but now when I did school, name just come, you know, it just
Which school?
Obafemi Awolowo.
Okay, what do you study?
Chemical engineering.
Chemical engineering.
Yeah.
Engineer chop no good. When engineer say engineer.
See,
I study agric engineering. You study chemical engineering. What you study? Mass com.
I did proud.
I know, but you know the engineer is good too.
I don't like maths to start with, so I don't care. But what I want before you go ahead, Check. See, all of now we go say, okay, I want become a superstar like Check tomorrow, and you go on deceive yourself, say you know go school. You don't hear him now. He go school, he graduate, he go serve. Because now so some people they shout now last year be 2 years now. I mean Malians don't go to school. They don't forget say even their president, he get master's degree. The day they come out from school, they talk say I'm a Malian. Malians don't go to school.
If you get opportunity, go.
If you go school. You know, go school.
Now my advice be that if you get the opportunity,
even if now music you want to go school.
Okay. So Check. The name just come for school like that. You dey sing one day for school.
Yes, I start for middle for like.
The name no go just call. You get her name.
No, it get situation
when
I been start to do freestyle like that. They just introduced me to the music thing. So I've been can't go say make I go freestyle for where did they freestyle? I can't talk mic check.
Yeah.
I talk because I don't know what to talk. So the next time I can't come, they say now that Check guy, they talk Check too much, not sabi anything. So like from that day, if I go, I hear the Check guy.
Wow.
So thing just sticks.
So when you decide to turn professional, you remember say they come and say,
but I can't. But I know bear Check then.
Okay.
They come. I bear Check 2019. When I signed to Fino, the day I changed my name.
19 to Check. What will be your name before you change them for Check?
You have to pronounce.
What do you mean? What do you talk?
Call her, this all the same. Go call her. Don't be somebody that's how Okuku say.
I did bear Kyle B before.
Kyle B.
Yeah.
Kyle B.
My friend give me self so like.
Kyle B.
Yes.
Sound like American artist name.
Now what?
Justin Bieber. Kyle B. Grace Brown. Kyle B.
See the right.
Justin
Bieber.
Now I change them because
to Check.
Yes.
Okay.
I know say the moment where music wants serious, I got to change it.
Okay.
Wow, I will check. So just as your the journey from say you be independent artist, now you did sign to record label with Fino. Yeah. How Fino take care of your song?
I'll not tell who come.
I've been they do Instagram freestyle before, so I think I just see DM one day say he just DM me say he go like see me.
You know it's in pause. You know say we don't hear this story too many times, and yet so many young people need they believe. Mayoku na Instagram, Ricardo na Instagram, Kore Debelo na Instagram. This guy will come here yesterday with them when the R&B interview. Na still Instagram. With the Ira Star, that girl will be
Ira Star, yeah.
You understand? So we always tell people before you say give up, say you no get time, just put something online. The right person. If they tag them, if you know they check one day, if you all get time, I even sweating them my DM. If you go be that day, you know. So now encouraging to every young person where they out there. Just continue to put out something good stuff. They continue. You don't know who goes. I mean, check another example again of how you feel they work diligently, put them out there, and somebody goes see them. So I think just send you DM. You see them. When you first see the DM, let me guess. When you see the DM, you first check the name again whether they are the original chief. You know,
nobody way they verified. Don't ever. I don't believe say person.
We verified go call and send you.
Because I know they tag person like that. No, I just they do. At the beginning, I get this in my head and I say if I post maybe a miracle just happen.
They could just see how
it no happen at that time. So steadily I can't enjoy just doing
it for fun. Yeah.
It become like my way of life to one day record, do one small video for him. I go there if they find clothes. I don't overuse all my clothes, so now to borrow clothes from me. So
You can't borrow clothes.
So
Wow.
you don't want to appear with the same cloth every time for the same
appear.
video all the time.
So you
Okay.
go not do attire like, go they do until it become your way of life.
So you know, those people will be say, oh, their smartphone na only to watch gossip for Insta blog.
I know they.
If they use that record
I know
material,
they-
you
I
say,
know
and so when I get expensive phone, the phone I need to contribute for. I talk and this girl, they say this money, now this man buy the motor for her. I talk she, you go gossip for 10 hours during the day. Now other people's story, you know, post one thing about yourself. The phone is useless to you, even though say it costs 800k.
I know. You just carry the word come out from my mouth because I been want to talk say people they spend so much money to buy phone. The question say, what thing they carry the phone? They do. Eh?
So inside when you see a message someone a hook up, right?
To me, I come in house.
So
That same day, sir. Same day.
now they send town that time, city Lagos.
No, I just come. I come Lagos not long that I come Lagos 1 year before then.
Okay.
So it just make I come. I go.
Now so the whole thing there
and the
happen.
rest now history.
No, I go. I go in house. Then I came back 5 months later.
Okay, after you first sign the first time.
I no sign when I go.
You know sign when you go that first time?
No, I even say no go call me again.
Oh, so when you go the first time, you know sign wetin happen?
No, I see him.
Okay.
I see him, but my style of music now, I dey sing. That time I not even I dey rap extremely that time. And if
Okay.
I want sing, I dey sing extreme. Like,
Okay.
I dey use voice or rap. So at that time, me say if I no even dey think to try blow like.
Okay.
I won't blow, but like because I know say this music no be
It's
really
difficult,
for
yeah.
this kind community yet. I guys blend down. So like I don't really think to. So when I first play my song, it sound too foreign. I think the first time, like even more than now. So I not even too expect. I just record. So when I come my house, it no call me again. I just believe say maybe
You know, like the thing where you see.
So he can't come back
5 months later.
5 months later. Yeah.
Wow.
In fact, I never talked this one before. Like after I come my house, I think I started to get hope. Maybe somebody was, it be like say,
At least the fact that somebody like that don't see you,
Don't
call
see
you,
me.
so maybe somebody
I
else will
can't
come.
day one day like that. In come post one new artist, say my artist or something like that. One guy they rap for Igbo like. I just say, all right.
Okay.
So maybe if it's one sign one person. So since I not go by like 3 months, I not hear from her. I know. In just post one day, say one new artist, they rap for Igbo. Maybe he don't sign. I just say, all right, no problem. Continue my
Your music. waka.
yes, my.
Continue to do your
So
thing.
he can't
freestyle.
call me. He can't get another freestyle where I post again. He can't message me again. Say, wait till they do like this. Where I did. I think that was the time.
So that one I wake come up. You still say you no give up. You still they do your
you
normal
must not
thing they
give-
do.
Even if you blow, even if you get songs where people, you know, if you give up anytime.
You know, all this way they talk, just they inspire me. You know, just everybody. I believe everybody they listen. They pick one or two things
Yes,
from what
now.
they talk. Now you understand. Never say never.
Never,
Never
just
say
they post,
never.
they go. You don't know who go see them and who go call you.
Mm.
And then now, okay, I've been talking the rest now history because today now you don't release one of the groundbreaking songs, Zoom. So I go like no waiting inspire that song Zoom.
First
Now,
official single with that, man.
that now.
Yes, and
Okay, so what inspired the song?
the way me I dey record, when I hear beats, I know they write. So like, I could just, I feel like my life experiences,
Okay.
they always they piled up inside me.
So all those people talk for Zoom now from the inside.
Yes, definitely.
So they don't
Because
try hold
no be
you
say
way.
something where I dey over.
So they don't try hold you way you run.
Yes.
When they
who
try to
never
hold me,
want-
I
they-
go zoom zoom
They
zoom.
try hold everybody. They try hold everybody.
Yeah. So
Even now they hold everybody. So we guys come out the. So that time I think when I want make music now, what I know the two right now say for now, maybe after because I want drop album now.
okay.
So maybe after this album I go start because I feel like say now I dey think a lot, right?
Okay.
Like, things dey inside me.
So in order not to lose a lot of the thoughts, you need to put them down.
No, be so.
Okay,
If I write, I feel like at this point I want to just. I feel like when you allow person talk freely without thinking, he go talk in mind. In mind go come. No be say I go just dey talk am as I dey feel am. I feel like say at that point, there's nothing. I know blend them. I know the patch and
Okay.
adjust the acid. I know the
Don't come as it be.
RCB. That's why I do all my songs till
Mm.
now, to this album. So I feel like when I did talk, you good everything they get meaning. Most of my music. So.
From your experiences, Abi.
Yes.
All right, someone will pause now. Lady J say the rest now history. Someone
Yes.
will play history first. We don't play Zoom before we open mouth. We go see play the remix where you do with Davido and Wale, and of course we go come. We will talk about history now. When I hear now history now, I take confirm say this guy voice. Now history now I take cement. The guy say okay. I've been teaching this guy now. We see the test. What this one now don't come to stay. Okay, so when I remember when this big head with a priest when he sent the song history, he said check get one new song. I say send now. He just send. I say priest now check the sing. So he say yeah. I say you sure? He say I say now wow. Tell us how history not like the right song. I say he write the history too. So how you take put Fireboy for the matter?
Oh, me and Fireboy don't they come tete. So.
Okay.
I mean, I know be say I know they to feature people like that. Yeah, so, but because me and now don't those times why they do freestyle with the other one.
Okay.
So, cause I just say we could make.
When they together at the time where you do this song. So now.
So for I just say make we make some songs, not be one song. Right? So we just make some for his, cause I don't record history before.
Okay.
So I just say hear this song. I say he like this kind, cause he never do that kind of song before.
Yeah.
But say if he we'll see.
Because really the way you sing for this song, you bring out a different version of him from himself. You make you know how you go date somebody so he goes, no, I need to meet up. You understand? So after this history, I mean you drop Zoom, drop the remix, drop history, and now Call Me Baby. We'll talk about that one. Who be the girl?
Nobody.
So who they tell me call you baby?
Nah.
Oh, okay, actually, not me didn't say make I call am baby.
Futuristic baby.
Futuristic baby.
But I think for your very before now, why you go they call me
It can't be
futuristic
you
baby?
now.
Check.
A child abuse. Yes.
Child
See
abuse
check.
now.
See you know the age difference.
Which age difference?
They just stop.
Age no be anything but number.
Nah, for this
Express
one, you pass number.
don't worry, check. No two of us they single. We'll see later.
Okay, so check. But we'll talk about the last jam where you just dropped.
Yes.
Call Me Baby. Tell us about the song.
Yeah, my. I know they do love song like that, so I decided to drop a love song, but it still gets this this trap vibe to So now basically the song be that.
Who produced the song?
Andre.
Who they produce most of your song? Like that history. Who produced history? Andre too. Andre. Who produced Zoom?
Andre.
So let's take the guy that's Andre produced Zoom, history, and Call Me Baby.
The day I discovered the guy, now the day where I know say I go bring new sound. I don't know. The day I heard the guy, like I know say, okay, my next few songs.
Now you go do
He's going to be on my album. He did 4 songs.
Which kind person? A young person. Which kind of person? Not be Nigerian person. Why they?
Czech Republic.
Czech Republic.
Yes.
How you discover the guy?
I find them online, like because
Seriously?
naturally me I like Afro beats like a lot, like that we did my album, but I know say no be Afro beats go first bring me out. I know this before anybody. That's why I always find I'm hard to believe say anybody wants sign me, because I know say nobody ready to sponsor or bring out an artist when no be Afrobeat. But me, I just know say no be Afrobeat.
So on your own, you just decide to look for a producer who fits your brand of music.
I was always looking for somebody, and until I sing this song, I never hear this kind of beat for this country. Ever. Because
your beats they're unique, they're different. That's why you know how they talk and say this guy. They say when I see you, your face different from your music. Because now everything they come together because the quality of the production, so it makes sense. Now everything they add, so no wonder the thinking, the person produce this song, the thinking the different. So now online when I hook up.
Okay,
because
no, go ahead.
Yeah, because the kind of music with my strongest point in music, emotional.
Yeah.
Like if I try to pour out my mind, unconsciously you go feel the emotion. So I just knew that was when I heard it. I just knew.
Okay.
Because when I made Zoom under 10 minutes, I heard the beat.
Wow.
Yes. So I just knew that.
So I work in go do the beat send give you. Then you go. You the piano, sha?
Money never did before, but now.
I like that confidence.
Wow. Wow.
So what do you go call your brand of music now?
Why I take time to answer this, because for my album there's the diversity where I really wanted to show where I put now.
Okay.
But at this point now, emo trap, I do emotional trap.
Emotional trap.
Yes, they call
Emo
it
trap.
But for my album, I really naturally, because I know show the other, I don't tell you the other side because you never hear.
Yeah.
So for my album now, where you go here, all my sides, which is like the versatility side.
Yeah. Okay. All right. If you want to see fire, I was say
Fire
Fireboy. So
Boy.
if you want to see check face, are they live on Instagram at Godwin Aruwa? I go put the camera for your face. Someone I see him because I don't they say Godwin go live. Mo see him. Okay, I don't go live now. Go see him face now. You can also see Lady J. You can also see me. You do back to back collabos with Fireboy. You do with Rema. You do with Black Bones.
I never do it.
You never do it. Okay, Black Bones rather. You know, so you get a crew of guys where they closer to.
Yes.
Okay, now them.
Yes. No be like we never blow when we know ourselves.
Okay.
We go the same school.
So okay. That one at school, and they need to tell us where that school. See that same school,
man. Abolowo University
Yes.
now.
Wow, that school now.
So now why?
Now you come produce someone this superstar.
Wow, that school they need to
Wow.
do something special for that because the quality of talent we
And we
don't come
finish
off.
the same time.
Can you imagine?
With a lot of people we no need to.
Yeah,
Where
you know.
already.
No, I know. I called car for that one at school. I mean, the fact that when I did here, finished together, and the school produced enough talents like this, you know, I like the whole thing. So the album, how many songs go there inside? You never decide yet.
No, not 13.
13 songs. Okay, so apart from this one with Fireboy and the one with Blackbone, any other song?
No.
No, they inside. No,
No, Black Bones feature nine own.
nine song. Okay,
yes.
so apart, how many collabos there inside? How many features rather?
A day, bad 3, 4.
Three. If you know the inside.
We go know.
You know what talk everything right
I know
now.
what I'm talking. Yeah, but very soon. The album is
When did
very,
it drop?
very soon.
Soon. When you say soon, like 1-2 months time or before the end of the year.
Yeah, too much.
Too much. Sir. 2 months too much.
1 too much.
1 month
Not
too much.
So very soon.
In a few weeks.
Yeah.
Okay, in a few weeks. So how many videos you get out there now?
Right now.
Mm-hmm.
4, 3, 4.
3, 4, 5 videos. Okay, so another question I want to ask you now be say, of course, you don't tell us how you do your music.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, from deep down within, what you feel and all that. So, but when you start music generally, even when you did school and all that, who be one or two way they look say, man, this person, the way this person they succeed, they do in music, they inspire me. Whether a foreign person or Nigerian person.
Only foreign.
Only foreign.
Yes, because it's not that I know like Nigerian music.
No, but I
they
understand
use
you're saying only for because even show for your brand of music and all that. Even the producer na foreign, come. So it's just in only foreign.
Now people where I know.
Well, okay. So
the first
who them be?
Eminem.
Oh, you like Eminem too?
I know everything.
Eminem is my relative. Oh. My
Let me
distant.
call him.
I'll call M.
I have to call him.
I'll call
Oh, yeah, call him now.
Uncle
Call
M.
him now.
I'll call Uncle M now.
Call him now. Call
Now
him
your
now.
uncle.
I'm a,
You
no,
old pass
I they
am.
call her. No, you old pass me.
Ah.
M is almost 50 now. M don't pass
You never
45
pass
now.
60.
No.
Oh, okay.
You like
no.
what where this is that.
I
You
let
know?
me call you Zoom now.
I just that you not to see me like that too.
Yeah.
But in the late 40s, me I did my early 40s.
okay.
You understand? No, but so now me they call the goat after the real two Baba, the original two Baba and
Yeah,
Biggie. After two Baba and Biggie, out of respect. Now I know they put her ahead of them for what they do and how young they die.
Yeah.
That's why you leave the real two Baba, Tupac and Biggie. After them, now my brother M.
Oga
be number
Godwin,
one.
we know they see him face, so.
Sorry, no vex. So, Kilishi. Okay, you dey busy with the other side. And I want to see.
Why you the front face? Okay,
I
somebody
need to
don't
set up
send.
my
Don't somebody don't send you message. Check. I say, bro, check. I love your song, and I have a song that I'm wishing to drop with you, but I don't know how it's gonna happen. So, bro, anything you feel help your boy, I beg.
This always say bro check.
If even if no one reposts for the boy.
He said na bro check. Bro check. So respond
Bro
to that
check,
person.
how far?
He's saying go like do song with you, but he dey respond to DMs. I know they check there for label, so you know, you get some kind of things where everything are processed. But send and DM, God go help you. That's why I will talk again. So, all right, check done there for Instagram Live now at Godwin Arroyo, or check them out for there. So, 13 tracks for the album where they come. You don't title the album.
Yes.
What's the title? Still they keep on their raps.
Yes.
On the
raps.
You go,
no, very
but you not say again now in a couple of weeks. Not more than 2 weeks time for now.
No, it's more than 2 weeks.
More than 2, but not up to a month.
Because August will soon end now by next week.
Just give and take the next 3 weeks. The album will come out. So, but the most important thing, 13 tracks and maybe like four different features. Even if nobody features, you can't see what this boy is sing. Only himself, you need to just put them back to back. You understand? All of that. Okay, so if you want to ask Check any question, a chance with this one to call 0700 1102 081 821 2074. Repeat the other one again.
0700 1102
or 0818
2120734, and you still fit drop message on top of WhatsApp line 0908 285 8887.
Hello, good afternoon.
Hello. Good afternoon, caller. Wetin be your name? Where they call from?
My name is Precious Damayelu.
Precious, waiting.
Damayelu.
Damayelu.
Yes.
Okay.
Where they call from?
I go from Makurdi.
From Makurdi. Okay, you need to reduce the volume of your TV so that we'll go feel, because I know that through Go TV they listen, Abi.
Okay, I come.
Reduce the volume. Oh yeah, you were the thing they interrupt. Precious.
Yes.
Oh yeah, follow Check talk.
Check, I love you.
I love you too, my bro. I love you so much.
Okay.
All of your music about download.
If I say you get phone.
No, this one a small one.
Okay, no worry, you go get better phone and download everything. If you use computer, download and save, and laptop. Okay. Not be only phone. Thanks for your call, eh?
Thank you so much.
Thank you for calling, eh?
Yes.
You go to feel the love from the voice. The way the boy talk, I love for your song. You know, say the guy really like and like that. Hello, okay. Good afternoon.
Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yeah, what be your name? Where they call from?
My name is Kayode.
Kayode from where? Kayode from Ojo. Kayode, okay, talk to Check.
Okay, Check. What's up now?
I did, my bro. How far now?
How old you?
Also there. Our family.
Family do. All of
Nice.
us they always together go. They make it make up.
You go make her. No, as you don't follow me talk, you go make her.
Amen.
Okay, you dey expect the album?
I dey wait for the album.
They wait for her like me, said they wait for her.
Fireboy still dey there.
He did the album now.
He did the album now.
He did the album. He did the album.
Because you see, Fireboy, Oakley, Check. If I dey hear their music, I just like wow, their music.
You dey wish say them be gay, may toast them. You dey wish say them be gay, may toast them, Abi.
I know you.
You dey wish say them be girls so that you go toast them.
No.
Yeah.
Like, you know, I just love their music.
I
The
know.
uniqueness of their music. No.
All right, thanks for your call, eh?
Thanks for calling, oh.
Okay.
Get better day. Okay, we get message. Good afternoon, Naija FM. Una dey hot. Check. You sound like Chris Brown. The first time I heard history, that was what I thought. I'm a trumpeter. I'd love to play for you. I love your sound. I love your music type. I really want to play for you. Prince from Lagos.
Thank you, Prince. Thank you, Prince.
Afolabi 3364 for Instagram say much love. Check. Chibueze_Yeka say more Check, more winnings, bro. Okay, Odika Jovita for Instagram at Golden Arroyo on for Instagram say this guy is cool. Come put like 1 million love there. Call for say go back on the abeg show Lady J beautiful face. They won't see you. Yeah.
All of them won't see my face when
They don't see your face. Now your face they only want to see. That's how they like go this live. Because if I go live, they go see the one see you. The guy got in set the camera well now. Hey. Once he check. Check. Carry the phone, make them see you.
My people.
So the phone there in face direct now. Someone has see her in the input her with him now. So the camera they face check direct. Someone at the hand there. Before they go accuse me. I want to see in face. Want to see in face. Okay, we'll take another call. Hello, good afternoon. Hello. Sorry, don't call. 0700 100102. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
Good afternoon. What will be your name? Where they call from?
My name is Blessing.
Your line they break.
Sorry.
Hello.
And I'm hearing you.
We they hear you, but the line they break. Yeah, talk. What is it be your name?
My name is Blessing. I'm from Umahia.
Blessing from Umuahia. Yeah, talk quick before the line go cut. Blessing, how you dey?
I'm fine.
Follow check talk.
Okay, Mr. Check.
Hello.
Mr. Check.
Okay.
Blessing, talk now.
Blessing.
Blessing line no good. Don't cut.
No,
Blessing line no good.
May we take a message? Sharpra from Lagos Island. I hail you, Check. I'm dancing to your lyrics right now. 102.7, you get mouth. This one say the message is called drop. Yakpa. Good morning, Mr. Godwin and Lady J. I'm Cool J Bright, a music artist from Abuja. Please, make una help me tell Superboy Check say I love him so much. I believe say one day we go hook up.
Okay,
Amen
to that.
I do DM you, bro. I'm cheesy 7387 at IG.
Okay.
My question is only why did he make the Zoom video that way? And what else do you what do you do apart from music? Love your music, bro. Chatting from Lagos Island.
Why he make the Zoom video that way? Explain though. Did they ask you that? Your fans they ask you
Na
questions.
director na.
Director.
And na Harry Potter thing.
Okay.
Not the Harry
Okay.
Potter.
The Harry Potter concept, whatever. Okay. Don't hear that why he make her like that. Okay, fine. How you take hook up with Davido? And now Wale be the other person that song.
Yes.
I like Wale. Where how you take put Wale? Because those kind of people there, you know, say plenty issues they with putting
Davido
them in.
na through internet. Like na him tweet at me. Yes.
Okay, into that you
tweet at me say na that Zoom time because Zoom and Fem.
Yes,
they
did almost the same time. Yeah.
So he just tweet say no pass me for chat.
Okay.
They can't say Afashimo do. I said no problem. Like
Okay.
it's good to. Yeah.
Okay, and then Wale.
Yeah, Wale now basically na Fino guy.
Okay,
Influence.
okay,
guy,
yeah.
guy,
Okay.
yes.
Okay. You know what I don't notice with some of the biggest rappers for this country, they don't do song with Wale. They tight with Wale. Fino.
You know Wale na Naija man.
Yeah,
So,
Fino.
Just like Sarkodie.
See with Fino, Reminisce, even the Tosi. All of them tied with Wale that time, so I'm not surprised. That's so the whole remix of Zoom take come. Okay.
Okay, good afternoon, Naija FM. I'm Kozi BMG from Port Harcourt. I be artist. I love that jam history. One say I want Check to drop freestyle. Or Layemi from Ibadan. The same way you do freestyle.
I think you'll do something with your voice.
Okay, good afternoon, Naija FM. I want to ask a question. Is it must to do a studio record freestyle on Instagram? Because I'm an upcoming artist. I just start my freestyle video. It actually helped my followers from 400 to 1K plus. But I'm also only using freebeat freestyle. I'm Silva from Ajigunle.
If you do your freestyle for your house anywhere where you dey, as long as it dey decent and the recording dey okay, what person go fit understand what they talk and the video. That's me I see am. Just do it anything where you dey. If you get opportunity to do studio, fine. If you no get studio, you know say because you no get studio for your house, you no go do anything. You understand? Alright, you want to see Check Face? Check him out at Godwin Arowaya for Instagram live. Now Check Face there for my Instagram right now. At Godwin Arowaya, check am there. Wanna see Check? Make you say hi to una for there. Questions don't fool everywhere. But Check, if you get one person, if you get somebody where if you get opportunity to do something with one person now, a musician anywhere in the world, who you go be? Somebody you go like to work with, where you never work with before.
Right now.
Yeah.
Drake.
Drake. Wow.
Okay, cool. Drake. Okay.
For every reason.
For every I know. I mean they're not reach two for this. We're talking about the biggest hip hop artists in the world now, so I will understand it like that. Okay, so Check. The next thing now your album will drop. So once you drop, any plan for tours?
Yeah, so hopefully like Cause the album na my baby, you know. I got straight to my baby, right?
Wow.
okay.
I jealous this your baby. You.
Yeah, so
I jealous and where?
I do the album specially so that when you hear him, you go look up and say thank God.
Thank God.
For this guy. So that I hope that it go down and really fit into it.
Eventually, when you come break into everywhere, then you go begin decide, okay, how you want to do the
from
movement.
there we go decide. Because my debut album, my first album.
Yeah. I don't be working with Fino so far. Being with Fino in the same place.
It's great because you see, as I tell you before, I did not believe that somebody will push trap.
Yeah.
It's not like a common thing.
Yeah.
So that can explain the rest.
The rest.
Like say, at least because I feel like in a lot of places, at the end of the day, they will just tell you to just do this Afro. It's not that Afro is great too, but when you see waiting perfectly fit you, it's good to stick to them.
Hello, good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon.
Yes.
Good afternoon.
What's be your name? Where they call from?
You say yes, like saying me calling.
Well, this one don't beg. So make we read the message.
Okay, before you read that, I'm going to take this call. Hello, good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
What be your name? Where they call from?
My name is Thomas. I call from my papa.
Thomas, now you be the last caller now. I don't know if you take another call again. We need to check come on for studio. Okay, what be your question? Or you want follow check?
I don't. Question I want to ask for the best.
Okay.
That video, the video don't go as the song. I like that song very well, but that's video.
No worry, the next time we'll go.
So no worry, check. Ingo make her up to now with other ones, okay?
No, I love that guy. I love that guy. That guy is too much.
Thank you.
Everything.
All right.
All right. This one say super check, bro. Much love, man. Keep it up. More wins. I really wish for you to do a song with Roddy Rich. Would have been cool. Was expecting it on Zoom remix though. Because they may read the message.
Okay, we don't read the message now.
Where they say,
read that final one before we wrap up with check. Now we need to let her go.
Good afternoon, Sir Godwin and the beautiful Lady J. My name na Tedan. Super boy check. I hail you, boss. Much love and more blessings, boss. Your story they inspire me. Hopefully one day we'll be on a song together.
Check, you get a girlfriend? Not time you say that music with your girlfriend.
No,
some musicians they talk.
People I like, of course.
You get people you like,
yes.
But no special one yet.
Well, everybody they always gets that.
That special person.
If you don't get it, na lie, they lie.
Okay, so you get so this that special one. Okay. Who you like for the industry pass? Female. Nigerian music industry.
Now I really did happy say now. Before is female artists there, but I don't really. You know when I come, they don't turn OGs.
Yeah.
But now I see a lot of
younger
ones,
really,
which is really impressive. All of them wonderful. All of them.
You got any particular one where you like?
They did my album.
You did your album. So when we see the album, we go nose in that one. Okay, nice one, nice answer. All right, so a lot of young people they listen to you right now, and then so what you want to tell them? That young person they say, wow, I wish them I'll get luck like check. I go be like check. I go blow like check. Wanting. Because you don't blow. So eventually, let me just say blow. Hit back-to-back hits from Zoom to the remix to history. Now call me baby. So you don't come to stay. I won't be like check. Or what advice you go give me? What you go tell that person when they listen to you right now?
I go tell them what I do. That's all. Pray a lot. Stick to what you really believe in. Like what come from inside of you. Practice a lot. Try to be better all the time. That's all.
Tell us one of the worst things that happened to you before. Where every time you might go say now, wow, I'll give you my example. I fall inside sock away. Just picture.
That's one of the worst things.
The worst thing that happened to me, I fall inside soak away. Now, if you don't understand the picture, I did worker, they open the soak away. They won't come pack the thing. The compound people come they argue. We never pay. They come vex. People they pack and come go. They no pack and they come cover them. Come cement and lightly. So you know strong. Yeah. I just the worker pass. Now I go inside. The God they say, Mister, I just stretch my whole iron. This is why I cover my entire body, reach my neck. Imagine me inside, soak away. One woman just shout, you don't follow, he go die you. somebody can't come. They can't put stick inside. They don't hold me. Say make I hold the stick. Make they pull me out. I can't hold the stick. To even leave the iron while I hold. To hold the stick, fear they catch me because if I go hold the stick, the person go leave the stick, go sink, go inside. When they pull me now, from distance they pour me water.
Pour you water, be stone you.
They stone me everything just to. I did so embarrassed that day. So now, the worst thing that happened to me. For my former compound for a jiggle and that happened to me.
Yeah.
What do you mean worst experience you don't get? You say, every time I go say, wow, this thing.
After I signed for Fino, because I did suffer from pimples.
Okay.
I can't do one thing, so my whole face burn.
Oh, your face burn.
You want to treat the pimple?
Yes.
You can't go burn your whole face.
Actually, it burns. Everything burned for 4 months.
4 months.
I mean, you know, enter social media anything, but you hide your
That's
face.
That's 2019 and then 2019.
So that one me say, but that time your favorite song will be, if you want to do your pimples, hide your
no,
face.
I don't sing throughout.
And I know for your mind,
I
hide your
quit.
face like small boy, small daughter talk. He quit really.
Because the way I talk, it sounds very.
So I can't recover the face now.
The face.
I
A miracle.
I don't
basically.
wear mask before Corona come.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
And to show say the sign no even dey your face, the mark no dey.
Like from here down, everything it peel burn. So when something burn, later it can't turn black. It can't be like wound. So,
It can't patch.
I can't dey wear mask like this. That's before Corona come.
Yeah.
People dey wonder, why this guy dey
They
wear
wear
mask?
mask.
They wear mask.
It can't be like
So when Corona come start very very strong. Everybody can't dey wear mask. So
Wow. So how the face come clear? You not apply anything again?
nothing wey I no apply. You know, for this head, you know the I apply Gary self.
Hey!
Nothing we no. Nothing. Like,
Okay.
Now just like for 4 months, I no go my own house. I did my friend's house.
Kai.
In fact, the day I discovered him, I wanted to come for an interview in one of the radios. So as they come from one of my guy house, I can't reach my Fino house. That's so the chef say, "What you do your face?" I said, "No, what you do my face?" I shall not say my face they hot. I don't know.
So now you go look mirror.
Everything done red.
Whoa.
Red. Oh dear.
So 3 days after, all the skin peel off. So now blood.
The red.
No.
Okay. Before we escort you come out with call me baby. One more question for you.
Yes.
What I want to ask you now. Where you see Check in the next 2 years?
2 years.
Now already you don't become a household name. You don't blow. Nigerians don't know you. But beyond the shores of Nigeria in the next 2 years, where you see Check? Describe Check in one sentence in 2 years time.
Nobody knows, but all I want to do is always elevate. I don't know. I really want to always elevate. I guess elevate all the time. But one of my dreams right now, partly, is that I don't want to make people within this country we like to sing some other kind of music that is not necessarily the typical Afrobeat to die off.
Okay.
No, of course, if they do trap, like for Zuma, they talk mumu, you can fix our Nigerian things. But I know, because I feel like there are a lot of talents everywhere. So to be able to give hope to some of these guys, to make it not be like, say, nah, trap be my talent too, but
I need to go do Afrobeat because of that. So in the next 2-3 years, you want to be the reference point. Say, Check, let people understand. Say,
yes.
If you be yourself, do what things that we do. Infuse a
that's
bit
one
of
of my for my album. That's
Yeah.
I hope that they can get that because he did it.
Okay, that not to say you did versatile.
Oh yes.
Yes.
You know, they don't use one brand of music, they hold you. Nice one.
Check, if we still like to keep you, but you need to enter our
Honestly,
sister station right now. And of course, always now, we will always get you here anytime we want. And your album, they come out definitely. This your manager, already let person rest. I don't say you go send and come. We will allow them and see the hot. But thank you very much for coming,
Thank
Check.
you for coming.
We wish you all the
much.
best. And of
Thank
course,
you so much.
and I can talk, my favorite Nigerian artist now, young, for this new generation. All those old timers, they listen. My guys.
Godwin,
All the
you
time,
dey find trouble,
the old
oh.
timers, including your guy.
You dey find trouble, oh. You dey find trouble.
He doesn't for us show. Now me and Fino all of us. Please, you remember now? Oh, they drag between Fino, Peruzzi, and Casey. They drag go. Now me said to them, I said, no, Fino, you must send this. He said, no, God, we know. I don't want. but as guys now, we get to come to compromise. Okay, you go first, you go. So all those ones, they be my people. So, but the new generation, trust me, your voice, very unique. Your sound too.
Your sound too.
Very unique. Don't be hype. If you're not good, I go tell you you're not good, but you get something special.
You there on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.